So, let us have simplifying radicals in terms of numbers. So, this time we're going to focus on square roots. Simplifying numeric term na square root. Okay, so in perfect square numbers, those are the numbers sa kapag pinag-multiply itself, yun yung sagot. Okay, so ano ba yung mga perfect square numbers? So we have 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. We have 4, 9, 16, 25. 25 is a perfect square number of 5. We have also 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, wherein 100 is a perfect square number of 10. And then we have 121, 144, 169, 196, and 225. So, sa pagsisimplify ng mga radicals natin mamaya, kailangan maging familiar kayo ito para maging mas madali yung ating pagsosolve. So, let us have our first example. Let us simplify square root of 25. So, of course, we all know that square root of 25 is equal to 5. Okay, but we have to take consideration pati yung sign. Okay, we all know that positive times positive equals positive. Okay, times positive is equal to positive. And also, we have negative times negative is equal to positive din. So, therefore, if we have square root of 25, ang may gisagot natin dyan is positive and negative 5. Okay, kapag meron naman tayong square root of 100, square root of 100 is equal to positive and negative 10. Okay, pag meron tayong square root of 144, it is equal to positive and negative 12. As well as kapag meron tayong square root of 36 is equal to positive and negative 6. So, napakadali lang sa atin mag-simplify ng radicals kung ang nasa loob ng radical sign ay perfect square numbers. So, paano naman kung ang given natin ay hindi perfect square number? Like we have square root of 48. Okay, to simplify square root of 48, let us list all the factors of 48. Okay, factors of 48. Ano ba yung dalawang numbers na kapag pinag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 48? So, we have 1 times 48. We have also 2 times 24. We have also 4 times 12. Okay, meron pa bang factors ng 48? Meron pa tayong 3 times 16. 6 times 8. Okay? So, meron pa bang factors ng 48? Okay, kung wala na, let us now simplify this by having the factors of 48, wherein dapat yung factors ng 48 ay merong perfect square numbers. So, kung titingnan natin yung listahan ng mga factors ng 48, merong mga factors natin na perfect square number is meron tayong 1. 1 squared is 1. We have also 4. Okay, 4 is a perfect square number of 2. And we have also 16 is a perfect square number of 4. Ibig sabihin, yung 2 times 24 and 6 times 8, i-disregard natin yan. So, pagpipilian natin yung factor dito sa tatlong ito. And para makuha natin yung mismong factors ng 48, hahanapin natin ngayon yung merong pinakamataas na perfect square number. So, we have 1, 4, 16, and the highest perfect square number present in the 48, the factors of 48 is 16. So, therefore, ang gagamitin nating factor kay 48 is 3 times 16. Okay, and then we have also, kinuha na natin yung factors ng 48, isi-simplify na natin siya by simplifying the perfect square number na nasa loob ng radical sign. Okay, so dito, 3 and 16, the perfect square, of course, dito is 16, ilalabas natin ngayon si 16 sa radical sign. What is square root of 16? Okay, we all know that square root of 16 is equal to 4, positive and negative. As usual, kapag meron tayong radical sign, the answer here is positive and negative. Square root of 16, that is 4. Okay, and then square root of, ang natira sa loob ng radical sign is 3. So, square root of 48 now is equal to positive and negative for square root of 3. Okay, next, let us have square root of 50. Okay, again, so pag-simplify ng radicals, kailangan may perfect square numbers tayo dyan. List natin yung factors ng 50. Okay, ano ba yung mga factors ng 50? We have 1 times 50. Okay, and then meron tayong 2 times 25. We have also 10 times 5. Meron pa ba tayong factors para kay 50? Okay, kung wala na, okay, so let us now simplify square root of 50 by getting the factors of it na merong perfect square number. So, dito sa ating listahan, okay, ang nakuha natin na perfect square number is 1 and 25. So, ang pinakamataas na perfect square number dun sa dalawa ay yung 25. So, therefore, yung 50, yung factors ng 50 natin ay magiging 2 times 25. And to simplify this, piliin natin yung perfect square number which is in 25. Yun yung ilalabas natin sa radical sign. So, square root of 25 is equal to positive and negative 5. So, we have positive and negative. Si 25 nung nilabas magiging 5. Tapos, ang natira sa loob is 2. Okay, so therefore, square root of 50 is equal to positive and negative 5 square root of 2. Okay, next. Let us have square root of 8. Okay, na madali lang yung square root of 8. So, factors ng 8. Okay, factors of 8. So, we have, of course, 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Okay, so we have here, ang perfect square numbers dyan is 1 and 4. And obviously, ang pinamataas na perfect square number ay yung kay 4. So therefore, square root of 8 is equal to square root of 2 times 4. And then, kapag ilalabas natin si 4 sa radical sign, siya ay magiging positive and negative 2. And yung natira sa loob ng radical sign is also 2. So, therefore, square root of 8 is equal to positive and negative 2 square root of 2. Okay, next, let us simplify square root of 200. So, factors ng 200. Okay, factors of 200. So, we have 1 times 200, 2 times 100, 4 times 50. We have also 8 times 25. We have also 5 times 40. 4 times 50. Okay, meron pa ba tayong factors ng 200? Okay. So, we have also 20 times 10. Okay, so, kung wala na, okay, so, pwede natin kunin na ngayon yung merong perfect square number. So, we have 1, we have 100, we have 4. Okay, so, parehas lang pala itong dalawang to. Okay, so, meron pa ba? We have also 25. Okay, but the highest perfect square number here is 100. So, square root of square root of 200 is equal to square root of 2 times 100. Okay, and then, ilalabas natin yung 100. What is square root of 100? Square root of 100 is positive and negative 10. So, we have positive and negative 10 is square root of 2. So, square root of 200 is equal to positive and negative 10 square root of 2. Okay? So, pwede natin gamitin. Okay, another, kung ito naman ang gagamitin natin, 8 times 25. Okay, paano kapag ginamit natin square root of 200 is equal to square root of 8 times 25. So, kapag ito ginamit natin, ilabas natin si 25, siya ay magiging 5, positive and negative 5 square root of 8. But we all know that square root of 8 ay meron pang factors yan. Okay, saan ba yung mga factors ng 8? Okay, sulat natin. Ano ba yung mga factors ng 8? We have 1 times 8 and then we have also 2 times 4. So, we have perfect square 1 and 4. So, gagamitin natin yung kay 4. So, we have positive and negative 5 square root of 2 times 4. Okay, and then we have also now positive and negative 5. Okay, ang perfect square number naman natin dyan is yung 4. And kapag nilabas natin si 4, siya ay magiging 2. Okay, and then ano natira sa loob? Ito, yung 2. So, it is equal to positive and negative. 5 times 2 equals 10. And then square root of 2. Okay, so paulit-ulit lang ginagawa natin as long as wala ng factors doon sa loob ng radical sign na perfect square number. So, yung ginamit natin yung 8 times 25, i-simplify pa natin yung natira. Okay, so 10, positive and negative 10, mula sa 8 times 25 ay parehas lang doon sa nakuha nating sagot nung ginamit natin yung 2 times 100. Okay, next. Simplify square root of 72. Ano ba yung mga factors ng 72? Okay, factors of 72. Okay, so we have 1 times 72. We have 2 times 36. We have 12 times 6. 4 times 18. Okay, we have also 3 times 14. Okay, meron pa ba tayong factors ng 72? Okay, kung wala na, kahit ano dyan ang gamitin natin na meron perfect square number. Ito meron tayong perfect square number. We have 1, 36, and 4. So, ibig sabihin, 12 times 6 and 3 times 14, hindi na natin gagamitin yan. So, halimbawa, ang ginamit natin is 4 times 18. So, square root of 72 is equal to square root of 4 times 18. Okay, and then, we all know that 4 is a perfect square number kaysa kay 18. So, we have positive and negative. Yung 4, pag nilabas sa radical sign, siya ay magiging 2. And then, square root of 18. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung meron pang factors ngayon kay 18. Okay, kay 18, meron tayong 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 6 times 3. Okay, so, kung wala ng factors ng 18, lista natin. Kunin natin yung may perfect square number which is 1 and 9. And ang gagamitin natin is 2 times 9. So, we have positive and negative 2 square root of 2 times 9. So, inalabas natin yung perfect square number dyan which is yung 9. So, positive and negative 2 times what is square root of 9? 3. And then, anong natira sa loob? 2. So, square root of 72 is equal to positive and negative 2 times 3 equals 6 square root of 2. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so paano kung ang ginamit natin is 2 times 36? Okay, so we have square root of 72 is equal to square root of 2 times 36. And then, it is equal to si 36 nung nilabas mo, siya ay magiging positive and negative 6. And then, ang tira sa loob, 2. Okay, so, it is the same with our first example of 6 square root of 2.